Welcome to my another tutorial. Today I'll show how to move WordPress site from localhost to live server. I just installed this demo site for moving our live server. This our live server URL. Here is nothing. So we need to do first thing, go to WP admin area and simply put your username and password and log in. We need to do one thing here. We need to go setting and general. We need to change our WordPress address URL and site address URL. So we need to put our new site URL here and hit save. We get is ugly message. Don't worry about that, I will fix it. Now we need to do is export our database from our localhost server. You go to your PSMA admin area and click your database where you installed your WordPress. Click export, click custom and coming down little bit, and here you see is you can give any name here. I just give here test. This name will show your file name. Hit go and save your file. You just remember it where you save your file. I just save my file in desktop. Save it. It will download it. So now we need to go our live server cPanel. Here is my cPanel. You put your username and password and login. We need to create a database. So coming down little bit and go to your MySQL database. Click MySQL database and we create a new database for our new site. I want to create a database name is demo. Create a database. Add it to the database Angelica demo, just we remember it. And now we need to create a username. If you have any existing username, so you no need to create a username. Just I simply create a new username for understanding better. Like my username is Rakib22. I have another username is Rakib, so that's why I given the different username. And password is better to generate a password, so it's very secure. You need to first copy it, Ctrl C or Command C, and just click here and use this password. Okay, I create a username. Now my username has been created. So we need to add our database with this username. Coming down little bit and you add your database with your username. Select your username and select your database demo and hit add. Now you select this all privilege and make change. Now we need to go over htdocs folder where you install our WordPress in localhost. this is my htdocs folders. Here I install WordPress. So when you go to your WordPress inside, you get a folder wp-config. You need to open it and you need to change little bit. Here is your database name, here is database username, and here is database password. So we create a password and save it clipboard and put your password here, and we put our database name. Database name is, we get it here, here is our database name. Our database name is Angelica Demo, and go back. Here is our username, and go back this file, and this is our password where I was created. So now we save it. We finished little bit. We need to now upload our file in our live server. So we can use two-way our uploading our file. We can use any FTP client server or FileZilla or anything, or we can use our cPanel hosting uploader system. So now we need to go our file manager, and I have created a on demo folder where I implement our new site. I want to use this uploader file. I just select and upload here. Before I do all of WordPress file, I create a compress. I get on file. I want to upload this file in my live server. Is very simple way and very quick. If you use a FileZilla or any client server, it take long time. So that's why I use this system for uploading a file. So now we go to our cPanel. Now we need to upload our export file that has been we downloaded from our localhost. Go to your PHP admin area, and we created a one database here. Just click here, database, and now we need to import our that file where we save it. Just click import, click browser, and this is our test USQL file. Just select it and open it, and now nothing you need to change. Hit go. We just check it our file manager. Our file manager is complete. Just go back. Our file manager, we get it. Archive. Now we need to extract, and extract here and close. We refresh again. We need to delete this file. Delete this file, and another file here, we delete it. Now we complete our uploading system, uploading file. Import has been successfully finished. So our WordPress file has been uploaded and our SQL file has been uploaded. Now we go to our main URL and refresh again. Go, and we'll get our new site on live server. It's very easy to do if you understand. Now we go to our admin panel. Just you put your before admin and username and password and log in. Okay, you are done your site. Now we fix our error. If we go our site here when we select our database, is database get a WP option. You need to change your URL, both of URL. Just click and you change your localhost URL here. I beg just if I refresh it happened same thing. So now we put localhost URL and change another URL and go. Now we need to do another thing. We need to just change our config file, database name, username and password. So we go to our config file. Config file is here. Before database name was demo and username was root and password was root, and just save it. And we go to our site URL, localhost site, and refresh again. Yes, your site is back. So you can log in, same admin and password, username and password, and your site, localhost site is back. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I think you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time for next tutorial. Bye.